So good morning to all of you. Yesterday I was given one problem.
Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Yes. Now I have known that you are listening and everybody is okay. So one problem is yesterday given to you on the final accounts of the sole proprietor who is engaged in the manufacturing activity. So I am reading that problem and one by one which accounts are to be required to open, that we can open it as per the information given in the problem. So from the following trial balance of Mr. Aditya, prepare manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018 and the balance sheet as on that date. So as usual, the manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheets, these financial statements are to be prepared in this problem. And now there are 3-4 adjustments which are given after the trial balance. So following further information is provided to you. So which information? That one first adjustment, closing stock as on 31st March 2018 is raw material 15,000, WIP 8,000 and finished goods 25,000. So we can record it as per the adjustment what says. Then number 2 is depreciate machinery at the rate of 10% per annum. Now make the tick mark to the machinery. Machinery is given rupees 80,000 in the trial balance. So make the tick mark to the machinery. Then number 3 is during the year finished goods worth rupees 5,000 were distributed as free samples but were not recorded. Now goods distributed as free samples, that is one of the type of advertisement, and accordingly we can record it to the trading account credit side and another effect profit and loss account debit side. The fourth adjustment is provide reserve for doubtful debts at the rate of 5% on debtors. So sundry debtors are given in the trial balance. From the last third item, sundry debtors 53,000, make the tick mark. So all these trial balance and adjustments, when we are taking into consideration, then we are going to prepare the various financial statements or accounts. So give the heading, the first heading on your page. In the books of Mr. Aditya, a manufacturing account we are going to prepare separately. So next line, manufacturing account for the year ended, 31st March 2018. Now make the two parts of the page, left hand side debit and the right hand side credit. Left hand side two columns are there, particulars and amount, and credit side also same columns, particulars and amount. Now for the manufacturing account, keep 16 to 17 lines blank. 16 to 17 lines blank, and then open the another account, trading and profit and loss account. This is the combined account, trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018. 31st March 2018. Now these accounts also contains the same columns, debit and credit. Debit side particulars and amount, credit side particulars and amount. Now for the trading account, this is the combined account, but generally we can keep some lines for the trading account. Now here keep 6 lines blank, 6 lines blank, and after 6 lines, the profit and loss account is to be started. So just make a tick mark after 6 lines. When you are starting to record debit side profit and loss account items, from the tick mark you start. So after 5 to 6 lines, make a short tick mark, dot. And for the profit and loss account again, keep 7 to 8 lines blank. 7 to 8 lines blank. And then the last balance sheet, next heading, balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. As on 31st March 2018. The balance sheet have left side liabilities, first column liabilities, and another amount. Then right hand side assets and amount. Assets and amount. So after the preparation of the manufacturing account, trading and profit and loss account, and balance sheet, now we start with the trial balance items given one by one. So trial balance of Mr. Aditya as on 31st March 2018 was as follows. So first item of trial balance is opening stock of raw materials. So it is recorded on debit side of manufacturing account. So manufacturing account, debit side, right there, to opening stock of raw materials, amount column 12,000. Next is also relates to the manufacturing account, to opening stock of WIP, amount column 7,000. Amount 7,000. Now opening stock of finished goods is recorded on debit side of trading account. So for the trading account, keep one line blank, and after one line, next line write to opening stock of finished goods. Amount column 20,000. Amount 20,000. Next item of trial balance is purchases, manufacturing account debit side, to purchases of raw materials, manufacturing account debit side, to purchases of raw materials. Amount is given 1,05,000. Amount column 1,05,000. Next is again manufacturing account debit side, to carriage inward to carriage inward. Amount column 4,000. Amount 4,000. And direct wages relates to the manufacturing account. Again, manufacturing account debit side to direct wages. Amount is 56,000. Amount 56,000. Factory rent, same account, manufacturing account debit side to factory rent. Amount is 8,000. 8,000. Then factory power and fuel, same account, manufacturing account debit side to factory power and fuel. To factory power and fuel. Amount is given 11,000. 11,000. Next item of trial balance is machinery. Machinery recorded on balance sheet asset side. Go to the balance sheet asset side. First line machinery. Inner column amount 80,000. Inner column amount 80,000. There is adjustment, so less depreciation. Less depreciation. Write down only whatever may be the depreciation as per adjustment we can record there. Then sales are given. Sales are recorded on the credit side of trading account. Go to the trading account. After manufacturing account, trading account is there. By sales. By sales. Amount is 3,25,000. 3,25,000. Then office expenses, profit and loss account debit side. Profit and loss account debit side. First item of P&L account to office expenses. Now salary is not given, otherwise salary is recorded first. Salary is not given in the problem. So to office expenses, amount is 50,000 direct outer column. 50,000 amount column. Then cash at bank. Now after machinery, keep 5-6 lines blank. After machinery on asset side, keep 5-6 lines blank. And then record cash at bank. Cash at bank. 11,000. Amount 11,000. Then creditors are given in the trial balance. Balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Now after recording assets liability side, keep 3-4 lines blank. First 3-4 lines keep blank. And then write creditors. Creditors 21,000. Direct outer column amount 21,000. Then bad debts are given 1000. Now regarding the bad debts, some adjustments we have seen in the last 2-3 problems. So same procedure is to be applied for the bad debts. Profit and loss account debit side, two bad debts, inner column 1000, inner column 1000. Now for the bad debts, what is given? Again, provision for bad debts, that rupees 2000 is given. So provision for bad debts, keep one line blank. After two bad debts 1000, again keep one line blank, and then less old reserves, inner amount 2000, inner amount 2000. Now one line blank we are make there for making the provision for bad debts what is newly comes. So inner column again 2000 less old reserve. Next, sundry debtors, balance sheet asset side, after machinery, write sundry debtors, inner column there is adjustment of provide reserve for doubtful debts, fourth adjustment is there. So sundry debtors inner column 53,000 less RDD, less RDD. So whatever may be the RDD we can record afterwards. Next, capital, balance sheet liability side, balance sheet liability side. First line capital account, inner column 82,000, 82,000. Then drawing is given. After capital, keep 2-3 lines blank and then write less drawings, inner column 12,000, inner column 12,000. So all the items of trial balance we are recorded to concern trading account, manufacturing account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Now the adjustments are start. Following further information is provided. First adjustment is relates to closing stock. So closing stock as on 31st March 2018 is, now raw material and WIP closing stock is recorded on the credit side of manufacturing account. So go to the manufacturing account and write there on credit side, by closing stock of raw material, 15,000 amount, 15,000. Then same next line, by closing stock of WIP, amount column 8,000, amount 8,000. Next, now finished goods closing stock is recorded on the credit side of trading account. So after sales, keep one line blank where you are recorded sales. After that, keep one line blank and then write by closing stock of finished goods. By closing stock of finished goods, 25,000 amount, 25,000. So this is the first effect of this adjustment. Second effect, balance sheet asset side, where we are kept some lines blank. After debtors, write closing stock, closing stock,
काय चालेल बघा बोलू.
closing stock. Into that, next line, raw materials 15,000, raw materials 15,000. Then WIP 8,000, WIP 8,000, and finished goods 25,000, finished goods 25,000. So total of all these closing stock, 25,000 plus 15, that is 40,000, and plus 8,000, 48,000. So if the total is written inner column, then necessity of making the total. But if you are taken it at outer column, no need to make the total. Next, depreciate machinery at the rate of 10%. Balance sheet asset side, we are recorded machinery inner column 80,000 and return less depreciation. Now they are at 10%, right? Less depreciation at the rate 10%. So on 80,000, 10% means 8,000. And the outer column total 72,000. 72,000. Next effect of this depreciation, profit and loss account debit side. Profit and loss account debit side. Sorry, not profit and loss account. Machinery is used in the manufacturing. So manufacturing account debit side. To depreciation on machinery. To depreciation on machinery. 8,000. Sometimes you can tell me in the particular timing or in the hurry I am sometimes doing anything. So you remember me, sir, this is not on trading account debit side or profit and loss account debit side. It comes to the manufacturing account debit side. So to depreciation on machinery, manufacturing account debit side, 8,000. Then during the year, finished goods worth rupees 5,000 were distributed as free samples, but were not recorded. First effect, trading account credit side. Go to the trading account credit side. By goods distributed as free sample. By goods distributed as free sample. Amount is 5,000. Amount is 5,000. So this is the first effect. The another effect on goods distributed as free sample, profit and loss account debit side. Now free sample is to be considered as advertisement. So in the problem, if the trial balance shows the advertisement actually, but here it is not given. But in future, if the advertisement is given also in the trial balance, then whatever may be the amount given in the trial balance can be recorded in inner column to advertisement, and then we are adding the free sample and then making the total to outer column. But here no advertisement is given in the trial balance, and that's why we are recorded only profit and loss account debit side to advertisement amount column 5,000, amount column 5,000. Fourth adjustment and the last, provide reserve for doubtful debts at the rate of 5% on debtors. So balance sheet asset side, go to the balance sheet asset side where the debtors are recorded. Now debtors are written there 53,000 less RDD, mention the percentage at the rate of 5%, RDD at the rate of 5%. So on 53,000 5%, 2,650. 2,650. Then outer column total 50,350. 50,350. So this is the first effect. Another effect, go to the profit and loss account debit side where we are recorded to bad debts inner column 1,000, and there one line kept we are blank. So in that line add new RDD, add new RDD 2,650, 2,650. Now make the total of both 1,000 and 2,650 inner column 3,650. 3,650. And then deduct the old reserve 2,000. So outer column amount comes 1,650. 1,650. So all the adjustments and items in the trial balance we are recorded to particular account. Now make the total of manufacturing account debit side. Make the total of manufacturing account debit side. $2,11,000. Omkar Dilip, sorry. Yes, Omkar Dilip Bhagat. 2,11,000. Anybody? Okay, no difference. Only pick the total. What is the total? पुढचा 2,11,000 debit total. So write it on the credit also 2,11,000. The difference on credit side, the difference on credit side of manufacturing account 1,88,000. And give the name to that 1,88,000 by cost of production, by cost of production. into bracket balancing figure, into bracket balancing figure. Now this is recorded to trading account debit side where we are kept one line blank. Trading account debit side to cost of production 1,88,000. 1,88,000. Now make the total of credit side trading account. Credit side, total of the credit side trading account 3,55,000. 3,55,000. So same amount record on debit side 3,55,000. And the difference comes whatever may be the difference comes, that is gross profit. To gross profit carried down, to gross profit carried down. What is the amount? Amount of gross profit difference 1,47,000. Divesha Bohir, yes, 1,47,000. To gross profit carried down 1,47,000. Now it is transferred to profit and loss account credit side by gross profit brought down. Yes, Harshal Thakur, everything A147, 1,47,000. By gross profit brought down 1,47,000. Total of profit and loss account credit side 1,47,000. Write same amount to debit 1,47,000. Whatever may the difference comes, that is to net profit carried down. To net profit carried down. Amount is not 143.50. That is wrong answer. So 90,350 is the right answer. Divesha Bohir, to net profit carried down 90,350. Rohit Matre, why you are raising the hand? Rohit Matre, हाथ खाली घे. Rohit, you are listening to me, Rohit. टोटल करायची सोडून हात वर कर, पाय वर कर, काय डोकं वर कर, डोकं चालव ना जरा. 90,350 to net profit carried down. Now it is recorded balance sheet liability side in capital. Add net profit. Add net profit. Where we are recorded rupees 82,000 capital, into that add net profit 90,350. Inner column total 1,72,350. 1,72,350. Now from this deduct drawings 12,000. So already we are recorded there less drawings 12,000. So outer column total 1,60,350. 1,60,350. So make the total of balance sheet 181,350. Omkar Bhagat 181,350. Yes, Rohit 181,350. Ankita 181,350. So both the sides total comes 1,81,350. Okay, Harshal, it is right. So how many problems we have completed till today? On the final accounts of this proprietary concern, how many problems we have completed? 5, 6 or more than that? What is the figure? 6 problems.
हॅलो सर, क्रेडिट साइड जास्त येत आहे बॅलन्स शीटचं.
क्रेडिट साइड म्हणजे असेट का लायबिलिटी?
ऍसेट साइड
किती येत आहे?
1,81,450 येत आहे.
बघ बरं परत एकदा.
सर दोनदा चेक केलंय आणि लायबिलिटी साइड येत आहे 1,81,350 येत आहे.
बर, कुठं गोळ झाला? बाकीच्यांचा गोळ. बाकीचे बघा रे. परत मला आता बघायला लागेल. क्रेडिट म्हणजे असेट साइडला अमाऊंट आउटरच्या टोटल फिगर चेक कर तुझ्या.
हा ठीक आहे.
मशिनरी 72,000.
हा.
देन सन्ड्री डेटर्स 50,350.
हा.
देन रॉ मटेरियल 48,000.
हा.
अँड कॅश ॲट बँक 11,000.
हो.
मग कुठून आणले 50 रुपये जास्त?
थांबा एक मिनिट.
बरोबर येत आहे.
तुझ्या खिशातले टाकले का काय?
नाही.
मग बघ.
सर बरोबर येते दोन्ही साइड टोटल.
दोन्ही बरोबर येतात. असू दे, तिची शंका आहे. तिनं 50 रुपये बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये टाकून दिले जास्त असेटला. चालेल चालेल, ठीक आहे.
हो सर बरोबर आहे.
हा, म्हणून तुला म्हणलं मी रकमा सांगतो. तुझे 50 रुपये काढून घे आता.
आणि सर
हा,
जो तुम्ही आधीचा सम केलेला माहितीये, आधीचा सम दिलेला
हा.
त्याच्यामध्ये पण डिफरंट येतं बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये, पण मी करेक्शन केलेलं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये.
कुठला
अमाऊंट मध्ये करेक्शन आहे
प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये?
हो, बॅलन्स शीट त्याच्या आधी केलेलात ना मिस्टर कैलासचा,
हा,
त्याच्यामध्ये पण करेक्शन आहे बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये. डिफरंट
balance-
येतोय, अमाऊंट डिफरंट येत आहे.
परत एकदा चेक कर. मी सगळ्यांच्या
नाही सर, मी चेक केलं तर अमाऊंट चेक रॉंग येत आहे. मी करेक्शन केलं तेव्हा बरोबर टॅली झालं सम.
विदाउट करेक्शन टॅली नाही झालं?
विदाउट करेक्शन मी पहिला, तुम्ही इथे किती दिलेलं आहे कम्प्युटर डिप्रिशिएशन आहे ना, तुम्ही 25,600 दिलं, पण तिथे 26,600 येत आहे.
ते झाले असेल वजाबाकी इकडे तिकडे तुमच्याकडून. हा, येस, दॅट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल.
हा, आणि आरडीडी पण तुम्ही कमी जास्त दिलेला, तर ती 35,000 आहे त्याच्यात, तेव्हा मग ती टॅली झाली बॅलन्स शीट.
ओके, घरी बघा त्याच्यात काय झालंय ते. रकमा फक्त थोड्या सांगताना माझ्यात इकडे तिकडे होत असतील.
हो.
ओके ओके. तर आता मला एक सूचना द्यायची. आपला FY/BCOMचा गुगल क्लासरूम मी तयार केलेला आहे. त्या गुगल क्लासरूमची लिंक तुम्हाला पाठवलेली आहे. त्याला तुम्हाला जॉईन व्हायचं आहे. तर मला पुढच्या आठवड्यामध्ये तुमची एक ऑनलाईन टेस्ट घ्यायची. फायनल अकाउंटचा जो प्रॉब्लेम आपण आतापर्यंत घेतले त्याची अजून 1-2 प्रॉब्लेम आपले झाले की मग तुम्हाला ऑनलाईन मला टेस्ट द्यायची 20-25 मार्काची. तुमचं असेसमेंट असाइनमेंट होऊन जाईल. सगळ्यांनी मी पाठवलेल्या ग्रुपवरच्या लिंकला क्लिक करा. पण त्याच्या अगोदर तुमच्याकडे गुगल क्लासरूमचं ऍप मोबाईलमध्ये डाउनलोड असलं पाहिजे. लिंक मी डबल वेळा पाठवली. मला वाटतं 124 विद्यार्थी आहेत. आता सकाळपर्यंत मी बघितलं तेव्हा 91 विद्यार्थी जॉईन झालेले होते का काहीतरी आणखीन वाढले असतील माहित नाही आता 1.5-2 तासाच्या दरम्यान. तर 124 विद्यार्थी आपल्या ग्रुपवर दिसले पाहिजेत. सगळ्यांना असाइनमेंट ग्रुपवरनच जाईल. तुम्हाला ग्रुपवरनच ते फिलअप करायचंय. मी सांगेन कुठल्या दिवशी घ्यायची त्याची अगोदरच तुम्हाला कल्पना देईन. पण ते असाइनमेंट आवश्यक आहे. आता इथून पुढं ऑनलाईन एक्झामचं सत्र जोपर्यंत कोरोना महाराज आहेत तोपर्यंत आपल्याला सुटका नाही. ऑनलाईन लेक्चर, ऑनलाईन असाइनमेंट, ऑनलाईन एक्झाम. So that is essential due to this COVID-19. कुणीही याला इतकं सहज घेऊ नका. जे मी प्रॉब्लेम घेतो, जे मी शिकवतो त्याच्यावरती टेस्ट तुमची घेतली जाईल, असाइनमेंट दिलं जाईल आणि तुम्हाला अंदाज येईल की आपण परीक्षा कशी देऊ शकतो. प्रॅक्टिस होईल आणि मागे पुढे जर समजा कोरोना लवकर गेला नाही तर आपल्याला ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने एक्झाम घ्याव्या लागतील. सगळ्यांनी तयारीत राहा. ग्रुपला जॉईन व्हा आणि जे जॉईन झालेले नाहीत त्यांना माझं असाइनमेंट मिळणार नाही. जे जॉईन होतील त्यांनाच मिळतील. मग ते त्यांची मार्क्स लूज करतील. मार्क त्यांना मिळणार नाहीत. जे असाइनमेंट देणार नाहीत. आता एक महत्वाची गोष्ट आहे, माझ्याकडे सगळ्यांचं इथं प्रेझेंटी असते. ऑनलाईन रेकॉर्डिंग माझ्याकडे प्रेझेंटीचं होतं. त्यामुळं जे जे या क्लासला जॉईन म्हणजे पिरियडला येत नाहीत त्यांचं काय करायचं ते मी माझं मनात ठरवलेलं आहे. जे प्रेझेंट नसतील त्यांना फॉर्म भरू द्यायचा की नाही एक्झामचा हा भाग महत्वाचा आहे. बसू द्यायचं की नाही एक्झामला, दॅट इज माय राईट. प्रत्येकाने आपल्या ऑनलाईन सगळ्याच लेक्चरला अटेंड राहायचंय. भ्रमात राहू नका. तुमची रेकॉर्डिंग आमच्याकडे अटेंडन्स होतं. ऑनलाईनच रेकॉर्डिंग होतंय. किती मुलं होते, काय होते हे सगळं आम्हाला हाताने काय लिहावं लागत नाही. ऑनलाईन रेकॉर्डिंग त्याचं आमच्याकडे उपलब्ध असतं. सगळ्यांनी गुगल क्लासरूमला जॉईन व्हा. लिंक पाठवलेले आहे. झालेले असतील त्यांनी काय काळजी नाही. जे अजून लिंकला जॉईन झालेले नसतील त्यांनी लिंकवर क्लिक करा. ऑटोमॅटिक तुम्ही जॉईन व्हाल. फक्त यासाठी तुम्हाला गुगल क्लासरूमचा ऍप पाहिजे आणि तुमचा स्वतःचा ईमेल पाहिजे आणि तो पण gmail.com चाच पाहिजे. दुसरा ईमेल चालत नाही. ज्यांचे कोणाचे ईमेल वेगळ्या आयडीचे असतील जीमेल सोडून तर त्यांनी जीमेलचा ओपन करा, नवीन तयार करा आणि ह्या लिंकला जॉईन व्हा. ओके, ठीक आहे. सगळ्यांना जसे आपले वेळ मिळेल त्या पद्धतीनं